Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, I'm just going to fart around with this little Avis EC75. That's the extra class 7530. Lock Company, Germany. This little 5-pin dimple lock with a very restricted keyway. But it's not a difficult pick. You just gotta have the right tools. And I found a standard dimple flag does not work. It's very hard to get it in there. So I use this half diamond and I start at the back. Sorry about the dog barking, but we got that popped open, and that's all I got for you guys. Blah, 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 blah.